Hey, welcome to the Duranify channel. This is part one of two of a series of videos that compares the Zino2 with the Mavic2Pro. In this video, we're going to be comparing the Zino2 with the Mavic2Pro, how much we can punch into the video and with post-production until we degrade the quality of the video. Talk to you guys on the other side of the intro.
Turn up the heat. I'm gonna make my move, gonna make my move. Get out the way, I'm coming through. Gonna do my thing, do what I do. I'm making waves, I'm blazing trails, I'm coming through. I'm burning up, turn on the light. I'm gonna glow and let it shine. I'm gonna go and light it up right. Turn up the heat, turn up the heat. Whenever I'm going, turn up the heat, turn up the heat. Ready, set, fire.
Okay, so here I am on the other side of the intro, and I want to just kind of set the table and give you some context here. The Zino2 is running 4K 60 frames a second with a Freewell ND16 polarized filter, while the Mavic2Pro is running 4K 30 frames a second with a Polar Pro polarized filter on it. Okay, and I am flying over the historic James River in Richmond, Virginia, at a place called the First Break, and I'm gonna be filming a kayaker that's kayaking on this wave, and he's a young kayaker, just graduated from high school, and he's sponsored by Piranha. His name is Isaac, and we got some great shots of both the Zino2 and the Mavic2Pro. We're going to use that video to compare how well these two drones can punch into the video in post-production, and you guys can be the judge at where the video starts breaking down. So I look forward to reading your comments. As usual, you guys are so insightful, so I really do appreciate you guys chiming in and dropping your thoughts. All right, yeah, so it was a sunny day, beautiful day. The Zino2 flew first, and then the Mavic2Pro flew second, and I was able to run one battery on each flight, and that is that. So let me jump into the video, and I will see you guys on the other side of the video and give you my concluding thoughts. Okay?
I will run, I will rise, I will grow. I will climb to the place I belong. I will fight like the world's never known, like the world's never known. Through the ash, through the flames, and it burns like a fire in my veins.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that last song. It was called Here We Go by Norman, and also I hope you enjoyed that last intro. It was pretty cool, right? And here we are. We're using the Hubsan Zino2. We're zooming in at 400%, and as you can see, it's looking pretty awesome, right? At 400%, I kind of like it. It's not pixelated, and it still looks pretty good, right? And here we are watching Isaac just enjoying himself on that wave. And we're going to zoom out here, and we're going to switch to the Mavic2Pro, and we're zooming in at 400%. Nice turn, man. Makes it look easy, right? It's a little bit different angle, but that's the beautiful thing about the comparisons. It's so dynamic, right? Wow. Makes that stuff look so easy, doesn't he? Whoa. Amazing kayakers, amazing video, an amazing drone, the Zino2. So as you can see all his facial expressions, and it's not breaking up. And we're going to go back to the Zino2. This time the Zino2 is at 600%, and this is where we start seeing a little breakdown, or a lot breakdown on the video. You can see it pixelating. I wouldn't want to use this on the video, but if you had to, you could. It's like I said, like a 540 or 720p video. Pretty cool job there, Isaac. Awesome. Nice water, nice ride. All right, here we go. We're going to be looking into the 600 zoom of the Mavic2Pro. Wow. Amazing drone. Again, at 600 zoom, even the Mavic2Pro doesn't look that great, right? I think 400 is probably its max that you're going to be able to punch in on a 4K video without tearing the video up. But still, this is pretty amazing, right? Look at the quality of the video. Okay, so the next we're going to see is the Zino2 at 200%. And this is by far my favorite. Different shots. We're right above Isaac this time. And you could see the details on everything. It's just amazing to me how this technology works, right? This camera on this little drone, the Zino2 for 500 bucks. Crazy, crazy nice. This is solid. Looks so good to me. What do you guys think? You guys like the 200, 400, or 600? So here we are. The Mavic2Pro at 200%. A little bit backlight. Ooh, he just jumped over a log right there. I think he was just checking on his kayak, make sure it didn't get dented. It's a fiberglass kayak, so it will break. But man, he makes that thing dance, doesn't he? Holy crap, he's good. All right, so that was 200. And here it is, the Zino2 at 200. Different shot. And he's dancing this thing around, isn't he? It's amazing how much debris is in the river, right? Wow, look at that. You can see his face. You can see all the details. Very sharp, very nice. Zino does quite well, and a lot of backlighting. And he's catching the wave. Just wanted to give you guys a different perspective on the Zino2. Excuse me, on the Mavic2Pro is what I meant to say. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Really enjoyed that view. I hope you guys did too. So here we are. We're going to jump into the conclusion here, and we're just going to spiral up with the Zino2 to give you this, call it dizzying effect. That's better. All right. I'm going to be quiet. Let the video roll. Okay, so here I am on the other side of the video, and I wanted to give you my concluding thoughts on this video. So the Zino2 held its own against the Mavic2Pro as far as punching into the video, right? And the quality, I mean, it is rock solid. So 4K, 60 frames a second, solid. right? So there's only 2 other drones on the market today that I know of that are folding drones. They run 4K 60, and that's the Untitled Evo and the Mavic Air 2 that just got released. And those drones are pretty expensive, right? So they're almost 2 to 3 times, no, 2 times as much as the Zino2. So the value on the Zino2, unbelievable. And it compared to the Mavic2Pro really well. It stood up to it. Of course, the Mavic2Pro is the king, in my opinion, of the folding drones today. But it's $1,800, where the Zino2 is about $500, right? It fluctuates up and down depending if you get coupons and who's selling, who's running what spiff. So, what did you guys think? Did you guys enjoy the video? Give it a thumbs up. If you found any value to it, hit that like button by hitting that thumbs up. If you find the contents of this channel, give me some love back. Help me grow the channel by hitting that subscribe button, guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in future videos. Bye-bye.
Turn up the heat. I'm gonna make my move.